Is Microsoft AppV Manifest engine crashing because of the Appvmanifest Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's use these professional steps to fix the runtime error. Before starting the detailed Appvmanifest library fix, check the description for a professional tool to help align your library paths. This is the Appvmanifest library. The Appvmanifest library. It manages the unmanaged parsing of virtual application package manifests. AppV. It facilitates the deployment orchestration for virtualized software environments within Microsoft AppV. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. This error indicates a corrupted or missing Windows system file. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scan now to restore core components including Appvmanifest Library DLL. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Appvmanifest library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Manual intervention with Appvmanifest Library DLL is technically dangerous because it risks overriding newer, secure system libraries with older, vulnerable versions that lack modern security patches. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. If missing library references are recurring, the software linked below provides general information on maintaining Appvmanifest library. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time you encounter Appvmanifest library critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.